One of the key facts about the settlement is the total amount involved. Bayer, the company that owns Roundup, has agreed to pay billions of dollars to resolve thousands of claims from affected individuals. Another important aspect is the timeline of the settlement. The negotiations have been ongoing for several years, with various legal battles and court rulings shaping the outcome. The settlement is designed to provide compensation to those who have been diagnosed with non-Hodgkin lymphoma after using Roundup. This has been a crucial point for many plaintiffs seeking justice and financial support for their medical expenses. Additionally, the settlement includes provisions for future claims. This means that individuals who may develop health issues related to Roundup in the future can still seek compensation under the terms of the agreement. Bayer has also committed to funding research on the safety of glyphosate, the active ingredient in Roundup. This move aims to address public concerns and improve the product's safety profile moving forward. It's important to note that the settlement does not admit any wrongdoing by Bayer. The company maintains that Roundup is safe when used as directed, despite the ongoing legal challenges.